So this is the Lumia 520. This is 2 hours old here in Barcelona, announced just 2 hours ago with the 720. So this is Nokia Lumia 520. Runs obviously the Windows Phone 8, so it has all the bells and whistles all the recent Nokia Lumia devices have. Has a beautiful business offering, so you have instant access to whatever you do on your PC. It supports all the nice things that Nokia brings to the Windows Phone devices. So all the lenses for the photography, the brilliant HERE offering, so HERE Maps, HERE Drive, HERE Transit, everything works on this one as it does on all the other Lumia devices. And what's particular about this device, first thing is good for your wallet. So you get for a 139 without taxes price, you get all the same things that you get on all the other Lumia devices. Hardware wise, this runs a 1 GHz Snapdragon S4 dual core processor, has an 8 GB internal memory, plus it comes with a built-in, or you can use an SD card, so you can expand the internal memory with up to 64 GB. And the cover itself, so let's say red is not your thing, no one is stopping you from going black. So it has a removable cover, so you can go from black to red to yellow to cyan, whatever you want, any day you want. And the screen, of course, 4-inch screen, really bright from any angle. You see the colors really pop up, and as it's an OLED screen, I mean, it has the black is black, colors are colorful.
Is it clear black or is it?
Yes, and as you can see, wow, it's really sturdy, so you don't have to be scared of breaking the screen, so everything works really nice. So that's it, Nokia Lumia 520.